Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a 2002 Toyota Corolla, and as you can see, we're going to be replacing the side view mirror. Let's grab our tools and let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to get inside the car, of course. And we want to take off this door panel right here. And once we take this panel off, then we're going to replace this mirror. So let me show you how it's done. I'm going to take this cover off so we can access the back of the screws here. It just pops right off. We're going to unscrew all the screws around the door itself. Pull the door handle forward and out. And this is what we're going to do. I'll show you. You have to unplug the back here with the cable the rod connects onto. What you do is get your finger in the back there, and there's a little clip. You pop that clip. Pins out. Pop this piece here out also. Pops right out. These little clips here hold it in place. You pop it out of the location. You unscrew the screws in here. And this one. Just take the door panel, pull it out, and up. Okay. The reason we had to take that door panel off is because, as you can see with the new mirror, the mirror fits right on, but you have to take this plug out right here. So you just pull this plug out, unplug this one. I'll show you. Unplug this little clip right here, you push that in with your finger, and you just pull it and it comes right off. And we're going to take out those three 10mm screws. Just unscrew it. The mirror comes right off. You take it out, and obviously that's going to be trash. And we're going to reinstall the replacement mirror. Most of the time they have caps on them that just keep the screws from being damaged during the shipping. Unscrew the caps. And what you do is you reinstall your plug. You just catch it right through there like that. Just catch the nuts and then tighten them up. They don't have to be real tight. You're just going to basically snug it in there evenly. Okay, then you're going to reattach your your plug where it came out. And when you push it in, you'll hear it snap, and you know you're locked in place. And that's it. And there's a clip that's missing in here. We're just going to push this back on, and then we're going to put the door panel back on. When the panel goes back on, as you catch it up on the top, and you catch the top lip in first, pull it down, and you'll make sure your rod is right here. Make sure the rod is positioned in the door and it didn't fall down and out of the way. And the door panel itself, you just line it up and you snap it in place. Everything snaps right in. Then we reinstall the screw here and here, and we'll reconnect this. I'll show you how it's done. You took the armrest off, so you got to snap it back in and line it up. Line it up. And you pop it. It snaps right in place. You're going to restore the screw right here. Screw back in the pin. Push it. Locks right in. And we're going to reattach this. What I usually do is I put the pair of pliers, grip it, take it, reinstall everything off. Make sure that your clip is locked back in as it came out. And remember, we're going to put this back in here like that. And you feel it push back where it belongs. Put our screw in, and we'll be all done. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is you're going to take your cover that covers your screws where they were right in here. You reattach this in there. And the way you're going to do it is that little pin right there is going to line up right here. So you just put this in here. And it just snaps right in place. And that's it. It's all done. Okay, that's it. That was fairly simple, right? When you know how to do it, it is very easy. All right, that's it. We're done, out the door and on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.